Elle Macpherson, 53, proves she's still every inch the body in sizzling snap. Australian model, Elle Macpherson turned up the heat on social media with her latest stunning shot. She showcased her sensational physique in all its glory, much to the delight of her followers. In the pic posted on Elle Macpherson's Instagram page, the stunning star wore a teeny khaki green bikini top that showcased her lithe waist and rock-hard abs. She paired the look with a cream-colored sarong that revealed her endless pins. Elle accessorized with a beaded necklace and large sun heat that shielded her eyes from the camera. Fans flocked to share their thoughts on the eye-popping snap. One social networker said still the hottest. Another continued forever the body. While another exclaimed you are smoking hot. Elle revealed to Country and Town House all about how she stays looking so good. She said, "I think I've focused on looking fabulous on the outside. As I've matured, I'm more focused on feeling good and being balanced. Stable foods, strong vitality, sleeping well, great metabolism. I could run or lift weights forever, but it won't help me if I'm not feeling good. I don't force myself to work out anymore, I try to be as happy as I am."